All right, good morning, fam. How's everybody doing today? We are 1 minute into market open, and man, we had one hell of a move to the downside in the overnight trading hours. Yesterday, we took these trades. I'm gonna populate on here. No, we took these trades yesterday. We went long at 56.15.50. And yeah, we made some pretty good profit yesterday. So today I'm going ahead, and as you can see, we've had red candles from the overnight session, so we have a lot of strong selling sentiment, short sentiment. So this morning I have a short bias. That's what I'm looking for. Price broke down. Yesterday I was talking about, let's see here. I was talking about price either reaching 56.30, but I also said if it breaks, if it was really battling right here, but I was like, if it breaks to 56.25, and it's gonna go. So they were really struggling to get to the upside, but as you can see, we fell. But yeah, so this morning I'm going in with a short bias this morning. Let's see. So I'll only be looking for shorts unless we get some sort of big move to the upside, or we get a lot of buyers coming in for some reason or another. Then I may change my sentiment. But right now, what I'm seeing here is an overall short bias. We are 2 minutes into market open. If y'all watch my last video, I don't trade market open. I don't start trading till 9:30. I know you can get a lot of signals and you can get all kinds of stuff within that time frame, but my criteria is only met after 9:30, or after 9:30 is when I'm looking to get into a trade. Let's see what we have in terms of news today. Let's see what's today, the 24th. We have some Euro news coming out, some GBP news, and yeah, so actually it's ahead of time. So right now I think we are on Canadian news, and looks like we have flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI coming out today, and new home sales. It's red folder news, but honestly I don't think it should be as impactful since we have the election going on right now. So all of that is just driving the markets absolutely bonkers, and as you can see, it's moving down right now, which is, it's pretty good. But yeah, simple stuff, you know, simple strategy. I'm not in here trying to reinvent the wheel or anything like that. I just look, I get an overall bias of what's going on, and as you can see, I have the rest of my chart hidden, because I'm only interested in what's going on today, right now. Like, that's all I'm interested in. I just want to know what's going on right now, both charts. I could go over like, oh, we're at these levels and we broke down these levels, and I mean, yeah, people do that, you know. If that's part of your trading plan, then more more to you on that, but it's not a part of mine. I don't trade the first hour, and I only go based on what I see is happening for the day, because in the market every day is different, you know, that, or at least that's what I believe. I believe every day is different. So what happened yesterday may or may not happen today. You know, yesterday I had a long bias for these this trade right here. I wish it would populate my historical trade, but it did right here, which this candle is this move right here. And yeah, it wanted to break into the new high so bad, and it yeah, it fell right here. And then I said, because I was looking at these levels here, and I was like, man, if it breaks past this level, it's gonna fall. And sure enough, we fell to the downside. So I have an overall short bias today. That's all I'm looking for. So once I get my confirmation to go, I go, and that's it. Now, if y'all are wondering, if y'all are part of the Ninja Trader, if y'all use Ninja Trader and wondering what this stuff is on my chart here, I use a trading system. It's an auto or semi-auto trading system called PredatorX, and it is absolutely amazing. I mean, it has helped my trading tremendously. Right now, if y'all don't know, I'm doing a Top Step combine right now. So what y'all are seeing is live data of me trading. I wanted to go ahead and bring to the forefront no BS trading. You know, I just live raw trading. I'm trying to pass a combine right now, and we'll go ahead and we can look at my my analytics. As not only was I this is my first time doing an actual like futures combine or with Top Step, but I also am relatively new to the futures market itself. I'm a Forex expat like everyone else, you know, or a lot of people are, due to the whole prop firm things happening. And then a friend of mine told me about futures, so I went ahead and took the leap and decided to learn futures. And so this right here was a little bit of a mess up. I was trading this strategy, and I had like totally fat fingered something, and I came to my charts and I was all the way down. I had thought I failed, to be honest. I was like, man, I failed the combine, like I'm done. But I was right at the threshold. If I'd have passed that threshold, I'd have been done. I would have been done. But right here, from here to here, is when I started to deploy the Trade Saber, or I mean, sorry, the PredatorX from Trade Saber. If you haven't checked out their YouTube video, if you want to get kind of a look at what the PredatorX does, go ahead and check out Trade Saber's YouTube channel. Man, for Ninja Trader, that trading auto trading strategy is amazing. And it will trade for you if you set it up that way, but I have it semi-auto because I like to just manage my trades. But yeah, so I was, as you can see, I was like at almost a total loss. And then I deployed the strategy that I'm using now in conjunction with helping me with the PredatorX, helping me manage my trades. And I made a miraculous recovery as of right now. And I'm also just trading ES. I was trading Japanese yen futures, as you can see right here. I still had a 67% win rate, or a winning trade. You know, my risk to reward was about a 1 to 1.36, and but my losing trade was bigger than my overall winners. And then I was doing the E-mini NASDAQ, and I still had like a 45% win rate, but I was just above. So I'm able to do break-even trades the way I was doing it. But when I deployed the strategy, now mind you, I'm only 3 trades in. The video I posted yesterday was from yesterday's market session, and it was my second trade. I had placed one more trade, the one that brought me from losing the account, but I didn't record it. And then yesterday, I just thought, I should record it. So here I am, and you can see right here, as of right now, this is in July. It shows I've only done 2 so far, which was yesterday and then the day before, both winning trades. 100% win rate as of right now. You know, that's not the norm. We haven't took our losses yet, so but yeah, so far so good. And from an overview of the entire account, I'm still at about a 64% win rate, just shy. 131 is my average winning trade, average losing. Now this is Top Steps trade report that they give you once you start a combine. Let's see, let's go back to the charts. And man, we are just tanking. Let's see what we got going on here. If y'all want to know what I have on my charts, very simple, guys. I said it in my last video. It's just VWAP, purple VWAP right here with the VWAP bands with the standard deviation, 45 moving average, and that's it. That's all I have. And then I just watch my sentiment from the day here, and that's it. Now these colored bars on my chart right here are the Predator strategy, or not, well, it's called a strategy. If you're familiar with MT4, it would be kind of like MT4, MT5 would be kind of like an expert, you know. That's what strategy is on NinjaTrader. And I'm also fairly new to NinjaTrader. I just started using NinjaTrader, but I already love it so much. Like, I am super fan. I like TradingView, but TradingView is too many bells and whistles. You know, I like simplicity. Simplicity is key for me. But yeah, so the colors you see on here are part of the PredatorX strategy. Now, you can also, if you are a NinjaTrader user, you can download the Trade Saber. I'll show y'all the Trade Saber engulfing bars and reversal bars for free. That's actually free, so go check them out at tradesaber.com. I will have a link in the description below for the PredatorX. If you want to go ahead and try that out, you can get a free trial. I believe it's a free 7-day or 14-day trial, and if you like it, just go ahead and use TradeWell50 to get 50% off. I'm sorry, not 50% off, $50 off your purchase. 50%, man, that'd be a great deal. Also, too, another thing that you can download for free is the Trend Magic Signal. They also have a very active Discord. So if you want, you can join the Discord server if you want to see what people are doing. I myself am a part of the Discord server, so if you want to see what people are doing with the PredatorX or the free indicators by themselves. Now, these bars right here, these pink bars, these pink filled in bars are engulfing candles. So on a normal chart, these would be engulfing candles. And same thing with the light blue bars. These right here are engulfing bars to the upside, and these aqua and brownish bars, these are reversals. So as you can see, it reversed here, gave me one candle, and then it gave me another bar reversal. So there's a million different ways you can customize this. So if I go over the strategy, this is Predator mode, and I have it set the way I want it right now. But guys, I mean, give me a break. Like, look at all this stuff you can do with it, and all the videos are on YouTube for free as well. So if you want to go check out Trade Saber's YouTube, you definitely can. They have, this is amazing. I just believe it's a super benefit to those who trade. But yeah, so right now it's 8:47. Price is just plunging right now. I'm staying out till 9:30 to look for a reversal. So until that time, we're just going to be here chilling. right, fam, so it is approaching 9:30 when I usually start looking for an entry into the market if I am going to get in. I do want to get in today because it looks like it's a good trending day. Let's see. So close that out. As usual, guys, I'm not doing anything fancy. So now what I'm doing is just looking for a pullback to go ahead and enter a short position. That's all I'm doing. So if I get my pullback now, like I said, these are engulfing bars. So I could get in on one of these as a continuation, but I prefer to get in at a reversal point. That's just me personally. Some people you can get in to the market with you can change your risk size. So in the Predator here, you can it has these add options, and then you can add positions as you go with a different risk parameters. I'm more of a simplistic trader. I like to take one trade with my position size on. Usually it's split up between two contracts, so I'll have two contracts on, and I'll set those as runners. I take profit for one of them, and then the other one I'll have no profit for and just let that run, but they will both trail, so they will both get stopped out at the same time. All I'm looking for right now is a reversal. As you see, this candle's turning blue. If it prints, that means it's a upside reversal, so I'll just go ahead and wait on that. It looks like price came all the way down to, they're looking like this 55.13 area. So 513 is where they took it to, and it's bouncing back up between 513 and 519 right now. One of my VWAP levels is at the 15 point, so it broke past the 15, so they're gonna want to go down. I think they want to see the 55 even level. I'm not too sure. If not, if price breaks back to the upside, it's got a long way to go to break back to the upside. So all I'm doing right now is just looking for a reversal. Now, a key element to this, guys, you got to remember, is patience. You have to be super patient and get in where you can get the most optimal entry. Okay. So I have my 60-minute Heikinashi candles here, and my Renko, my Ninja Renkos over here. So all I'm doing is waiting for a reversal. Looks like price is going back up into the 55.19 area. Let's see, 55.26. So in the 55.26, 55.30 range. Usually on price, I don't go by just the whole tick. You know, I go by I round it up. So right now, like, it's at 55.20 and a quarter. I just say it's in the 55.20 range, you know, and that can range 20 all the way up to 55.30. So right now it's in the 55.20 range. And I am just looking to get in once it reverses. So the way I work this strategy, guys, it's really simple. I wait for this bar to turn blue. If it gives me a reversal bar, I let it do its thing no matter how high it goes. I don't care if it goes to the moon. I'm waiting for it to go ahead and print, give me some sort of a pullback, and then I'm just waiting for one of these red bars like these right here to print back in my direction, and I enter the trade. Simple as that. You can get involved here, but it's really pushing down. It's been pushing down all morning, so for the first hour it's held. The sellers have come in and it has just held that position. Let's see. So it's, yeah, like I say, guys, it's fairly simple. Use your risk parameters the way you set them up, make sure you set up a trade plan and you follow that plan to a T, because in the end, that's what's going to make or break you. Now, when it comes to trading, you have to have a trade plan to follow. If it doesn't meet your criteria, don't enter the trade. You may miss some trades, and that is okay. Missing trades is better than losing trades. If you have a winning percentage and a certain average that you win, you can offset that average by just eliminating losers. And that's just by not entering trades, period. You know, that's a big thing. And the reason I made this channel is because I just wanted y'all to see trading in the raw. You know what I mean? Just no crazy, nothing like, oh, this is my multi-million-dollar strategy. Guys, I want to show you how simple it can be if you follow your trade plan. Right now, we are 3 for 3. Oh, I'm sorry, 2 for 2 right now. We're 2 for 2 on this strategy and on my combine trading ES mini contracts. So this right here will be my third trade. We haven't taken a loss yet on this particular strategy. So, and I'm sure it will contain losses somewhere, but we'll see. And that's part of the game, guys. You cannot be afraid to lose. Trading is a high risk endeavor, you know, and if you're very risk averse, then this is not for you by all means. And if you get emotional in trading and you get emotional per trade, stuff like that, this is definitely not for you. So you just got to kind of stand by and watch it do its thing. All right, fam. So we have a trade set up. It is set as sort of a pending order. If it breaks the low of that reversal candle, it will enter me into the trade. Now, if it never breaks the low of that reversal candle, it won't enter me. And we'll see if we get entered into a trade. We may or may not. If it breaks the low, it will enter me in a trade. And that's sort of a little more confirmation. You know what I mean? Boom. We're in a trade. Now we'll see where this goes. Yeah, so now we're in a trade. We'll see where this goes. Oh, wow. Right on 11 o'clock too. See, our range is about 9.5 points. So we'll see what happens. That 950, that 55 mark, they really want that 55 mark. It's 55.02. And this is the entry I've been waiting for all day, so we'll see how this goes. I can tell that 55 level is definitely either gonna act as support or it's gonna smash through that 55 level and go down even further. My take profit is set at 54.82.5, and my trail stops will start Well, I don't know if y'all saw me. I was adjusted it. I used to have it where it would start trailing at TP1, but I have my trail stop set to where it'll start trailing at about 3/4 of the trade. I may switch that to where it starts trailing at half of the trade, but we're working on with what we got as of right now. And right now we're in some drawdown. No big deal. All right, fam. So they really, I'm telling you, that 5,500 level is something they're really fighting for. Now, I'm leaving the trade on. You know, like I said, my risk is there. Everything's in place. If I get stopped out, then that's it. But what you can see is happening right now, since you've been watching the video, is what they call the auction. This is when you're getting buyers and sellers just going back and forth, you know, hitting the bid, hitting the ask, like really auctioning off at that price. So yeah, that's definitely that 5,500 level. But I told y'all though, once it first wicked down below 5,500 and then went to like 55 and a half, and it shot right back up. Those orders were waiting, and there was a bunch of small orders waiting. Now, what I'm banking on right now is just overall momentum. Now, if we're losing momentum at this point right here, we'll see, because there seems to be a whole lot of orders. I may just start trailing the stops early, you know, because I've been in front of these charts for quite some time now, and you know, patience is the name of the game. You know, I go off of patience, but I may just start trailing them early and letting them do their thing. I'm not sure if we're gonna have enough momentum to get down to where my TP is, but this is part of trading, guys. This is you know, you adjust as you go. This also, not only am I trading to show y'all what I'm doing, but this also is doubling as a trading journal for me, a recorded trading journal for me. So I'm using it for both. I was recording videos as just trading journals, and I figured, you know, why won't anyone see what real trading is like? And my trading journals are now public, so y'all are going to be trading along with me during this combine and strategy that we're going for right now. Activate those trails now. We'll activate the trails, put them in profit. We secured some profit, so we're at a 0 loss. With the way these levels are moving, I'd rather just go ahead and do that. And yeah, we'll see what happens from there. All right, it looks like we got stopped out, or we got wicked out, and I'm completely fine with that. We made a little bit of, looks like $50 today. That works for me. No big deal. And we'll see y'all on the next one. See how this market plays out. You know, there's a lot of buy orders down here, but that's part of trading, folks. We'll see y'all on the next one. Thank you for watching.